car loan rates are at a historic low, and I'm no financial genius, but I never thought about refinancing my car from the high loan to the, did you?
I did not, and I know you're not a financial genius, but neither am I. But Bev is, and we're here with Beverly Boling, who's the CEO of Horizon Credit Union, to talk about refinancing.
Good morning.
Hey, so what could some of them be if they've been paying on it for 3 or 4 years?
Well, you know, when you look at the NADA retail value of your car, you can pull it up online, and we loan 90%, on most all new and used car loans on these. So you look up your car, let's say you've paid on it for 4 years, you owe $3,000, your car's worth $78, then you've got some money in there that you can go in. And a lot of times people come in to the credit union, they'll say, oh, I've got my car paid off. Now if I could just pay these credit cards off. And so they're struggling making these really high interest payment credit cards, when really to help their credit score, the best thing to do would be have a consumer loan, which is a car loan, have it at a lot lower rate, and then have availability on their credit cards, which boosts their credit scores.
Genius.
It is
Yeah. So, you know, the best thing to do, I brought some graphics with us. Let's look at this first one. If I use this one, it's mine. So,
Example.
Yeah,
right?
an example. So if you own a 2008 Jeep Compass and it's got all this stuff on it, then let's say for example that I'm C-Paper. I currently owe $3,800 on my car, and my car's worth $7,538. So that is with 90% of the retail. So I can get $4,000 cash out.
Wow, okay.
And so if I have $4,000 in credit card debt, then I'm much better off to use that $4,000 equity, pay my credit card debt down, or, you know, maybe I have an unexpected expense. Maybe I need dental work, or need to buy tires or something. You know, you could get the money that way at a greatly reduced rate, plus it helps your credit score.
Who knew there was equity in your car? I didn't.
I didn't.
I know.
I didn't know you could do that.
And you don't want to go to one of those places, a title loan place, because they do everything except wear the striped suits with the floppy hats and a machine gun in their hand.
Yeah, and they like
good.
triple-digit interest rates.
So come to someone you can trust and that has the low.
I kind of gave you a comparison on what your payments would be in that scenario that we looked at. So let's say you're currently paying $310 on the car loan that you've had. Let's say you bought it new and you've been paying on it, and you owe $150 a month in credit card payments, and you owe a finance company $150 a month, and then you need some dental work. So with that $4,000, you could pay off those accounts, and your new car payment would just be $250, and you would save $360 a month on what you're paying now.
Isn't that amazing?
Wow.
That is. I saw this in action last week, and I was like, I need to talk about that.
Yeah.
But that's the difference of you guys being, you know, the credit union that people trust, because they can come to you with the situations like that. Bev, I got to have dental work, and I don't have any money to get it. And then you come up with ideas like that we didn't have a clue about, and make it happen. So.
Well, you know, we try to look at every scenario and kind of think, okay, let the wheels start turning. Let's figure out what's the best way to deal with it. And there's lots of different ways. You know, we sit there and cipher around trying to figure out the best way. And we've got great loan officers at Horizon Credit Union. We've got some that have been there a long time, and then some of the best in the area. I just want to toot their horns a little bit because they do a great job. And, you know, they're willing to help you, and they've walked in your shoes. You know, we laugh about Tammy, for instance. She said that she refinanced her car 5 or 6 times. Every time she needed something, she refinanced her car loan to get it.
But what a fulfilling job that is for you to be able to help somebody like that. And I mean, it's got to be, you must sleep well at night.
Oh gosh, yeah. You know, it's a very fulfilling reward to know that you've helped someone, to just figure out just something to make their life just a little bit easier. And I think our credit union has that friendly atmosphere. You know, we want to bring you in and have you be our family.
Yeah.
Because
And
there's the names, the ones that you'll meet at each location, the loan officers there. So get familiar with the names and ask for them by name. They want you to.
Yeah.
All right, it's Horizon Credit Union, our new friend, and what a great job. It almost makes me want to go into your business, but no. You do it.
Thanks so much, Bev.
Okay.